Creative Mark Folding Wood Print Rack Assembly Instructions. Step 1. Parts needed. D, E, G, H, I, and A. Lay out the wooden parts as shown and then insert G, H, I into the two side parts D and E. Then secure using A. Step 2. Parts needed. C, F, and A. Insert F into the parts from step 1 as shown. Place C on top and then secure C in place using A. Step 3. Parts needed. J, L, M, N, O, and A. Lay out the parts as shown and insert J, O, and N into the two sides L and M. Then secure using A. Step 4. Parts needed. F, K, and A. Insert F into parts from step 3 as shown. Place K on top and then secure K in place using A. Steps 5 and 6, parts needed. 2 completed sides from the previous steps, 2 and 4 in B. Slide the 2 finished parts together as shown. Take note of the hinge position as well as the direction of each side when combining. The bed of the print rack and the supports it will sit on need to be facing in towards each other. Secure the 2 sides together by securing the hinges using B. Step 7. You can now stand the unit upright for use.